In just 5 minutes, you'll be able to do a basic, fast technical analysis for any stock, identifying key support and resistance levels easily. We'll be using 3 main timeframes: monthly, weekly, daily. Then, for trading and intraday setups, you'll monitor shorter timeframes like the 1-hour or 30-minute chart. And in this video, we'll apply everything practically using Apple stock, AAPL, as an example. Let's start with the monthly timeframe. The first step is to draw a line on the most recent clear high and clear low on the chart. So, on the monthly chart, we found the most recent low around $169.50, and the most recent high around $259, and we draw lines on both. Next, we move to the weekly chart and repeat the same step. Draw a line on the most recent visible high and low. In our case, the high is around $216.50, and the low is around $195. Then, we do the same thing on the daily timeframe, identify and mark the latest high and low. Now we have support and resistance levels marked on all 3 timeframes: monthly, weekly, and daily. These represent the strong zones in the stock that we can rely on. After that, we switch to a shorter timeframe like the 1-hour or the 30-minute chart, and start monitoring price movement. The levels we drew earlier now act as buy zones, supports, and sell zones, resistances, for intraday trading. Now let's analyze the current situation. Apple stock is trading around $209, and it's sitting in a clean zone, meaning there's no immediate support or resistance nearby. So, if the price drops, it will likely head towards $207, and that's where you should start watching for a potential bounce. If it goes up, consider taking profit around $213. If it breaks $213, the next target could be $216. But if the stock breaks below $207 and closes under it with strength, the next support area doesn't show up until $195. By following these steps, you can analyze any stock quickly. Use the higher timeframes, monthly, weekly, daily, to find strong zones. Then trade intraday using the 30-minute chart for entries and exits. This method is called a fast stock analysis, and it can help you spot setups in just a few minutes. I hope you found this video useful and educational. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support really helps us grow and motivates us to make more content for you in the future, God willing.